Okay, you want to say stuff?
Hello, I'm Jason. I'm 6'5". I'm on Christian Mingle to find the one I love. I weigh 250 pounds, can bench 315, squat 500. Find me. Swipe right. Is that okay?
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leanna if you're new. And today I am bringing you a video in which I bleach my friend's hair. This is Jason and he asked me to do his hair because he saw me do my hair. And even though I told him maybe you shouldn't trust me because I have no idea what I'm doing, he wanted me to do it anyway. So I agreed and here we are. At the time of this video, I am no longer platinum blonde, unfortunately. My Asian to blonde hair transformation is the most popular video on my channel, and I'm not sure if I want to attribute my success, if there is any in the future, to my being blonde, because I just feel like people place too much emphasis on the blonde hair, and I don't want it to define me, or be the only reason that people think that I'm interesting. And also, there was a white guy who tried to hit on me, and he said that my hair reminded him of an anime character. So I decided that it was best to just go back to black, and it feels good to be back. I'm definitely gonna miss being platinum blonde. It was a lot of fun, and I definitely got a lot of attention. Also, my roots were like really effed up from trying to do them myself, so I definitely wanted to cover them up. And they were so bad to the point the hairstylist said he couldn't even do anything. So my only choice really was to go dark again. And honestly, I kind of like being dark haired again. Nonetheless, this video isn't about me. This is about Jason going blonde. And here I am passing on my blonde hair to him so he can carry on the legacy, I guess. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're in for a long ride.
Wait, Leon, I have to be like this for an hour?
Yeah, it stops burning after a while.
Uh-huh.
So almost immediately, Jason's scalp started burning because, well, he washed his hair like right before we bleached it, which I told him not to do, but he thought it would be gross if he didn't wash his hair for one day, so that's why his scalp was burning. The application process was pretty fast because he didn't have that much hair to cover, which is also part of the reason why I felt pretty confident that I wasn't going to mess up because, you know, there's only so much hair. So pretty soon, his whole entire head was covered and we sat there for about 40 minutes as he screamed at his computer while playing League. Whether his screams were directed at the League of Legends game or the fact that his scalp was burning, one may never know, but I suspect that it was a combination of both those things.
Okay, so this is what it looks like after the first bleach. How was it?
Oh, it was really hard on me. I was gonna cry a couple times. It burned. I shouldn't have showered for like 2 days. But yeah, my scalp hurts a little. There's some brown spots. But we'll fix it on the next try. But I think I like the color. I think I look good. The orange suits me.
Okay, we're gonna try to make it lighter. But yeah, I don't want to like kill his scalp today.
Hit that like if you think it looks good.
Nobody's gonna like my video.
Don't dislike this video.
We're only halfway through. Okay.
So at this point we should have just stopped because his scalp was already burning, but I think we were both really optimistic and we wanted to get as light as possible on that day, so we bleached again. But it turned out to be a very bad idea, so do not try this at home, kids.
Hello. It's been 30 days.
This time we tried to do it without touching his scalp.
It still hurts. But I only have 23 more minutes.
Oh my god, that's a lot.
Pain
Dude.
until I'm set free.
Yeah, I asked him if he wanted to go wash it off, but he said no, so that's not my fault.
This bleach is making me really tired. Call an ambulance.
So for this round, we didn't get to keep the bleach in for super long because, again, his scalp was burning. But at the end of it, it wasn't blonde enough to go platinum with the toner, but we put in the toner anyway, just to see what it would do. And technically, the toner isn't nearly as harmful as the bleach, so I thought it would be fine, but because his scalp was already very sensitive from the bleach, the toner burned as well.
Back on the floor, because my head hurts, my body hurts, I'm tired. But my hair is purple. Liana tried killing me with toner by setting my hair on fire and then turning it purple. But I think I'm okay. 10 more minutes and then maybe I'll turn platinum.
It probably won't be platinum.
It better
It's wrong.
it better be platinum. I'm tired of it.
It's okay, we're done for today.
I'm done for my whole lifetime.
That's okay.
Alright, so we're done. My hair was supposed to be like platinum, but it's very blonde. It's a little gray.
Honestly didn't think that we would be able to achieve platinum today.
Oh, well, I thought anything was possible, but I don't think I'll ever do this experience again. Because it hurts. It's so painful, but I like it. I think it looks alright. What do you think?
Are you talking to the people?
I'm talking to you. We are.
I think it looks good in the camera.
And the camera. It looks good.
I'm just overly critical of my skills because I don't know if it looks good. It doesn't look bad, but I just don't know if it looks good. I kind of wish it got lighter, but obviously we can't bleach a third time today, so that's it.
Hello, we're back again. Hello, YouTube. So, this is the final product. It's kind of silver, it's a little wet, but once it dries, it'll feel better.
Yeah, we had to take like a 3-week break between bleaches because his scalp was burning.
Some of my roots are showing, but I think it looks good.
Yeah, I think it looks good too. Send me a picture when it's dry and I'll include it in the video.
Alright, let's get you home.
So here's that picture that he sent me after it dried. I think it turned out pretty good and he really likes it too. I guess the lesson was learned to not bleach your hair twice in the same day because that's a very bad idea. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in next week's video. Bye!